Top Echelon is one of the most powerful tools you can use to automate your recruiting process and streamline your workflow. If you're looking for a way to simplify recruiting, save time, and stay organized, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Top Echelon for recruiting automation and walk you through some of its key features that can help take your recruiting process to the next level. Right off the bat, Top Echelon offers an intuitive, easy-to-use interface, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced recruiters. You can automate candidate tracking, job posting, and candidate sourcing all in one platform, which is a huge time saver. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll show you how you can try Top Echelon for free with an exclusive bonus, so keep watching. Once you're logged into Top Echelon, the first thing you'll notice is its streamlined dashboard. You can quickly access candidate profiles, manage job orders, and track your recruiting progress without feeling overwhelmed. The dashboard is customizable, which means you can adjust it based on your specific recruiting needs. One of the most powerful features of Top Echelon is its candidate sourcing automation. With its resume mining tool, you can pull candidate profiles from major job boards like LinkedIn and Indeed. This not only saves time, but ensures you're tapping into a wide pool of qualified candidates. You can even automate your outreach, sending personalized emails or job alerts to candidates based on their profiles. Next, let's talk about job order management. Top Echelon's job order automation feature lets you create job postings that get pushed to multiple job boards with just a few clicks. You can also automate the process of sending job updates to candidates, ensuring they're always in the loop. When it comes to candidate tracking, Top Echelon excels. The platform tracks every interaction you have with candidates, whether it's an email, a call, or an interview. You'll always know where each candidate is in the hiring process, reducing the chances of missing important follow-ups. Plus, Top Echelon integrates seamlessly with other tools like Google Calendar, so you won't have to jump between different platforms to stay organized. Now let's talk about some of the advanced features that will really make your recruiting process even more efficient. For example, the platform offers automated candidate rankings. Based on your criteria, Top Echelon ranks candidates automatically, allowing you to focus on the most qualified individuals. This means you won't waste time sifting through hundreds of unqualified resumes. Another thing worth mentioning is Top Echelon's analytics and reporting tools. These tools help you track your recruiting performance, analyze which job boards are bringing in the best candidates, and optimize your overall strategy. This is invaluable data, especially when you're trying to scale your recruiting efforts. Before I wrap this up, let me remind you that you can try Top Echelon for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. This exclusive offer comes with a bonus that gives you extended access to the platform, so you can fully explore everything it has to offer without any commitment. Top Echelon for recruiting automation is a game changer, and if you're new to the software, this quick guide should give you a great head start. Automating your recruiting process will save you time, keep your candidates organized, and ultimately help you land top talent more efficiently. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial below and let Top Echelon take your recruiting game to the next level.